Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, enter Settings. Go to Password and Biometrics and set lock screen password. Here we've got one type of lock screen, which is 6-digit PIN. And here are different types of lock screens: pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Let's start with 6-digit PIN. Now, let's set 4-digit password. Now 4 to 16-digit password. And password with alphanumeric characters. At the end, let's set pattern. Now we can add fingerprint, and our scanner is right here. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And now let's set face scan. Scan your face right in this area. Once it's set, you can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.